Do we think I'll get in trouble if I do one quick little pull just to see how it sounds under load? Welcome back to Life of Birch. This is Birch, and no, your eyes do not deceive you. I have exclusive access to the new Vance Hines exhaust for the Rebel 1100T. You probably know if you're watching this, the new Rebel 1100T is the new touring model that comes with saddlebags and the fairing. So of course they had to redo the exhaust to go with the saddlebags, and it looks so freaking good, and I have not heard any sound clips of it yet, so we're about to get exclusive access of that right now. Also, as you can see, this is the one that is decked out in Burley brand accessories. You know that my bike is decked out in Burley brand stuff too, so you love to see it. And let's take a look back here, dude. You can see the exhaust comes up so nice with that saddlebag there, fills up the space that the exhaust stock exhaust takes up so well. It's looking so good, so much beefier than all the regular upswept pipes. All right, we have to see what this thing sounds like. That sounds good. Do you mind if I take it for just like a quick loop around to see what it sounds like? Yeah. Awesome, thank you. What was your name? Tom. Yeah. Tom from Vance Hines got us the exclusive access. Is this out yet?
Yes, it is. We are delivering these. It's available through either Parts Unlimited or distributors, so you can get it through any Honda dealer, any aftermarket shop.
Awesome, I appreciate it. I'll be right back. All right, let's see what this bad boy sounds like for a quick little lap. And you might notice that this is actually manual. Although it has all of the Rebel 1100T parts on it, it's actually a converted manual. So, ooh, nice and peppy. See, this is nice. So this is what I said about the upswept Vance Hines exhaust as well for the regular Rebel, is that this is how the bike should have sounded from the factory. You can hear it, it's nice and rumbly, but it's not like overstated, you know? It's not super obnoxiously loud. Way quieter than my two brothers. I actually prefer the loud sound, but if you're looking for an understated, like how it should be from the factory, this is what you want. Ooh. Do we think I'll get in trouble if I do one quick little pull just to see how it sounds under load? Yeah, this is how the bike should have sounded from the factory, and you can tell it makes it so much more responsive. All right, let's get this thing back before I get yelled at, and we'll end things off with a quick closer look at the exhaust and some more sound clips. Those backfires are crazy. And then just ending things off, you can see how well it fits up in there, tucks in. Is that the stock heat shield, or do you guys provide one with it?
That's our own heat shield. So it's it's obviously a slip-on design, which means it's cat back, so it's 50 state emissions compliant. We pick up with our mid pipe right after the cat here. We do put in a nice heat shield, so there's a smooth transition right from where we connect all the way up through the muffler. It's got a really beefy 2.5-inch mid pipe, and then the muffler goes from 4 to 4.5 inch.
Oh yeah, I didn't even see how it stepped like that. Yeah, that looks good.
It's a step muffler. It's kind of like our look. We call it our high output muffler design. Use it on a lot of different bikes. Everything is it's got Cerakote high temperature ceramic paint, so it's a really durable finish. At the end there, it has a nice CNC machine billet end cap. Just gives it a really nice finished look, and of course has the laser engraved badge on the.
Yeah, that looks good.
We specifically designed it to still meet. It's called the SAE J2025 sound standard.
Yeah.
A little bit louder than stock, but still very moderate. And of course, when you really rev it out, you hear it's pretty got an aggressive tone. But just normal cruising around on the streets, it's very mellow.
Yeah, awesome. Thank you for the exclusive access.
Thank you.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out all the other videos for everything Rebel 1100 related. Love you guys. Peace.